Best deals.
1. Chopper. This sturdy and durable chopper is what you require for your kitchen. Replace the blades with a mixing stick if you are done with chopping. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs, and cream. The lid, blades and the storage bowl can be separated. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Squeezer. This easy to use and easy to store lemon squeeze tool is built like a tank. It will last literally a lifetime, no more bulky, hard to clean juices crowding the decor of your home bar or kitchen. This citrus press lemon crusher has you covered. This manual juicer is made with sturdy food-grade stainless steel, lead-free material. It is secure and reliable. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Sandwich cutter. Made of high-quality food-grade stainless steel that is durable with no rusting issues, ensuring long-lasting use and safety when in contact with food. Sandwich mold cutter and sealer has a cutting ring, is removable and very easy to clean. Pocket sealer has a serrated design to create fun and appealing sandwiches while also sealing the edges to prevent fillings from falling out. The sharp cutting edge shapes and serrated edge seals the sandwich into a perfect pocket square or pocket round, eliminating complicated steps. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Kitchen sink. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the Alton sink offers exceptional durability, ensuring it withstands the test of time and resists corrosion, stains, and scratches. The sink's generous dimensions and spacious basin provide ample room for handling large cookware and stacks of dishes, making it ideal for both everyday use and entertaining. Sink features a gently sloped bottom that ensures efficient drainage and prevents water from pooling, allowing your dishes to dry quickly and thoroughly. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Wood serving trays. Elegant dark brown wooden slats offer excellent water drainage and create a sophisticated bathroom accent, crafted from high-quality wood with a rich dark brown finish that adds a luxurious touch to your bathroom decor. Robust construction ensures stability across the bathtub, keeping your belongings secure and within easy reach. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Salad spinner. Experience the convenience of dryer, ready-to-eat greens in no time with our dynamic vegetable spinner and dryer. With one simple action, control the top pump to swiftly remove excess water from your lettuce in seconds. Ready-to-eat greens for your salad, it's that easy. Its efficient design of vegetable dryer spinner means no more waiting for greens to air dry. Enjoy fresh, crispy salads in seconds and save valuable time in the kitchen. This salad dryer excels beyond just drying. Wash and store your vegetables with absolute ease. The transparent body of vegetable spinner allows you to monitor the cleaning and spinning process, so you can stop it at the desired time. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Peeler. Blade comes with high-grade ultra-sharp, rust-free stainless steel double-edged blades and can retain its sharpness for a long period of time. The second edge replaces the first if blunt. The ergonomic design of the polypropylene handle complements the blade to fit perfectly in the curve of your palm. The textured handle is less slippery, offering a comfortable grip. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Washer spinner bowl. This all-in-one kitchen tool is perfect for washing, spinning, and straining fruits and vegetables. Whether you are cleaning delicate berries, hearty potatoes, or leafy greens, this set simplifies the process and reduces prep time. Made from premium quality, BPA-free plastic, this fruit and vegetable washer ensures safe, non-toxic use for you and your family. It's durable, lightweight, and designed to last through daily wear and tear. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Hook. Made of premium brushed stainless steel, the towel hooks will not rust in wet environment for years of use. Wall hanging hooks without drilling, perfect for hanging, help you save the space. Wall stick hooks for hanging strong, keep your room tidy. Wall clips for hanging strong. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Zipper. Made of durable and long-lasting BPA-free, safe to store fruits, vegetables, snacks, meat and other food. Easy to clean, reusable and non-toxic, keep your food fresh and delicious. Made from 100% LDPE food grade material and BPA free. Microwave safe, reusable, washable and 100% recyclable, useful for storing food items like fruits, vegetables, meat, dairy products, pickles, salads, leftovers, documents, electronics, cables. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Soap dispenser. Features a dual pump design. It has two separate soap bottles, hand wash bottle and dish wash bottle, allowing you to accommodate two different types of soap. One side is for hand soap, while the other side is for dish soap. This hand wash dispenser's pump design enhances convenience and flexibility. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Can opener. Multi-function gadget looks similar to a standard can opener but actually features 3 handy tools in one. Firstly, it has a strong, stainless steel cutting mechanism that opens conventional cans with ease. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Measuring cup set. Each and every product, from small gadget to large-scale innovation has been created with the same blend of intelligent function and contemporary style, space-saving kitchenware that allows the individual elements within each set to be stacked. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Herb scissors. A practical and thoughtful gift for anyone who loves cooking or needs efficient tools in the kitchen. Its sleek design adds a modern touch to your kitchen while providing unmatched functionality. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Noodles cutter. This noodle cutter effortlessly slices noodles into desired thickness and shapes. Its compact size allows for easy storage and portability. Crafted with high-quality materials for long-lasting use. Detachable parts make cleaning a hassle-free process. Compact and lightweight. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Knife kit. Feature high quality, exceptional sharpness, simple design, great balance and good practicality. Applying ergonomics and mechanical levers principle, knives are terrific all-rounders and are especially designed for climbing, fishing, outdoors, kitchen cooking. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Strainer. Featuring a zipping closure design, the straining bag allows for effortless cleaning and maintenance. The zipper enables you to easily open and detach the fabric, ensuring that even the smallest residues are washed away. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Coconut scraper. Position the scraper on any flat surface at a comfortable and convenient height. Stand close to its flat side and begin scraping the coconut firmly. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Sifting tool. A very fine and convenient sieve, this flour sifter can help you sift flour quickly and efficiently, and is made of food-grade materials, making it very in use. Product link is given in the 19th link.